All right, you guys are good to go. Nathan v. Dylan, Wolf v. Richter. Nathan's been playing really well today. I've got high expectations. But Wolf is a very, very good challenging character.
You only played it for the yoga pants. All three of us at the same time. Yeah.
Oh my god, who sent that story? You put it on your story.
I've saved it.
I might do with what I please later.
Big forward tilt. Goes for the forward smash.
I have a pretty good video of saving my memories. Caleb, can we watch it? Alex, can I have your permission?
Ooh, big
to
forward
show
smash.
the video?
Oh, another one. That one caught the sweet spot, and that's going to take a stock.
We can get another ultimate game going.
Funny.
Huh?
We can get another ultimate game
You
going.
would
Okay.
not believe it.
That would be Captain Marie.
On the
Alright,
way
go play
back
Caleb.
from games.
Caleb, you're playing.
Dude, I love the Belmonts. I also, like, Wolf is my main, so I'm also kind of cheering for Wolf, but... Ooh, up special. That was really punishable, but he wasn't able to react fast enough. Hey, Peter, what are you using to stream this?
We use OBS.
Well, I
The
meant the capture card.
Capture card, we have Avermedia HD.
Avermedia HD. There you go.
Not the best one.
I need
It's
to
not the
tell you
worst
something.
one.
What is spicy?
Here you go. Here's a link to it on Amazon. There you go. That is an incredibly long link, but there you go.
And I look there, and Shendal is showing, and I'm over here, and I'm like, oh my god, I was trying and keep it together, man.
Get into it playing or get into it watching? Because for a lot of people, that's two different things. Ooh, he lowered it. That was a good read. But we're back up tied 1-1. While I was fucking about, this match got kind of hype. Ooh, down air. Tries to catch with the forward air again. Another down air. Another down air. He's all over him. Belmonts are sick. Ooh, he challenged the forward smash. That forward smash is actually safe on block. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, Melee has just so much higher of a ceiling because it's so much more challenging. There's like Melee, you could spend a week practicing a different style of tech and you'd learn something new every day or get better in one specific thing every day. But in Ultimate, you can only practice so many things. It won't last you the week if you're practicing one new thing every day. Dylan takes that first game. That's not the right one. Score one. I need a drink. Give me a drink.
Dude, Peter. Yeah. Post that video.
There you go. I just don't have the time to train. But you just won as Wolf and you're going to switch it? Yeah. So it only affects matchups with Olimar and Link, basically. I prefer Simon because I grew up with Castlevania 1, so... Where's Jack in his life? Is there? Were you not the whole time?
Earlier I was. When I picked you up, I was.
Oh, I don't remember. Oh, he's going to keep him out. See, Incineroar might have been a bad switch here simply because of this. Incineroar doesn't have great options against characters like this. Oh. He's difficult, though. Yeah, basically. Hey, don't worry. I liked playing Injustice 2 for a while, so I know plenty of zoning. Plenty about it. Ooh, that's... Ooh, the axe actually might save him. Oh, nice choice. Oh, the platform saved him there. Up special to counter it. Went for a big forward smash, but gets hit by the wake up. I'm okay. Dude, I faced one Toon Link online, and I wish I had never seen another Toon Link again. And everyone tells me Young Link's super good, and he is, but Toon Link makes me salty. It's his face. He's too happy while he kills me.
What the fuck? It's gonna be so cold.
It's gonna be terrible.
Can he recover?
I don't even know how I'm supposed to
Ooh,
run 6
nice
300s
down
out in
smash.
20-degree weather with snow on the track, but it's what we're doing.
Ice.
For Caleb. Dylan won the first game.
Big forward smash.
That's because he chose Incineroar.
Yeah, he switched from Wolf to Incineroar. I think he had the game to lose, so he wanted to practice.
We got Firebolt in there too.
Yeah, Firebolt, sports guy. There was another, that Bonks.
Bonks TV. He's turbo.
Yeah, I don't know what turbo means.
TurboTax.
TurboTax?
Yeah.
He works for TurboTax? Yeah. Man, that's cool.
AFC Championship game,
Ooh,
sponsored
is that-
by TurboTax.
that game?
CPA.
Oh, barely.
Make sure to follow
Those
your tax return
Incineroar
with
buffs
TurboTax
coming in
this
clutch
tax
right
season.
there. Oh, the axe. Off the top with the axe. Tries to run in with the ups. Ooh.
It's a
Whoop me, daddy. Nathan takes the first of that game. See, it was the Simon switch. That's what it had nothing to do with him picking Incineroar. It was the Simon. Everyone knows Simon is better than Richter.
Wait, Dylan, did you win the Battlefield?
It's beautiful. He won Pokemon Stadium. Yeah, they did Pokemon Stadium, and then they went back to Pokemon Stadium. Simon v. Wolf now. Oh yeah, it is.
This channel is the best for me, I'm telling you.
And using every special he has. Up air. Ooh, down air, down air. They collided on that one. Big forward smash. Ooh, reads that roll in. Oh, he goes up. Oh, he might have had a chance there if he would have up tilt or up special.
I beat Marie 2-0.
Can you pull up the
Okay.
bracket?
I bet the meatball.
Well, I'll play the winner of you.
Yeah. Which I don't know when that would be playing
Oh
Incineroar.
yeah! I saw that. Yeah.
And you're playing
Alright, let's do some PM, some schmultiment.
Okay, so we still got Nathan and Dylan when he gets done.
Do Ryan and Big Sean. Ryan, Big Sean.
Yeah.
Play video games.
Ryan, Big
I
Sean.
cannot control the rate at which my mother gets here.
No, she's not coming. I have to go get it.
Oh, we'll go get it then.
Well, no.
Oh,
That's
did
what
Ooh,
I'm
big
you
side
put my
special.
score in PM?
Oh, it takes
What was
like 3
yours?
minutes to
saying. Exactly.
I think so.
Then go get them.
Who's not playing on PM?
What is your problem?
Yeah. And then in PM, it's 2.
Where's Ryan?
Played one against you, 2-0.
PM.
Sal, okay, 2-0.
Yeah.
Sal goes 2-0. So you and Slade could go match up real fast.
We can do
or
Christian and Marie.
On PM?
Cab and
Caleb,
Big
did you play
Shot
Sean?
or Christian Marie.
Go play.
You want to play Marie on real fast?
Oh, okay, wait.
I thought Big Sean's playing Ryan and Ultimate.
Yeah, Christian and Marie are playing after that. You gotta play.
Go in.
All right, let's get back to this.
You're waiting in losers round 2 right now. Let's get back to this.
That just makes it easier to
You
tell.
play the winner of that one.
Wolf has got the advantage. Can he finish him off?
Skin. I'm gonna be using it 24/7.
Oh, reads that.
Yuck.
Up special, rolls away. Big cross. Big flame isn't able to get it. Up special, Wolf isn't able to punish. Goes for the up special himself. Counters with another up special, and he gets a sweet spot whip to win it. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. The edge of it is a sweet spot that does extra damage.
Tipper.
Yeah. Early part.
The sweet spot on my recovery.
Nathan takes it 2-0.
2-1.
2-1. Yeah. Back to ultimate singles. Who else can play ultimate? Nathan, 2-1.
Peter, you and Cal, you see the play.
So it's either you and Cab on stream.
You and Peter play stream.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We'd be ahead in
Yeah.
winners then. So let's do Nathan and Caleb.
Okay.
Yeah, Nathan,
Yeah,
you're
'cause
back
Ryan
on
and
stream with
Sean are
Caleb.
already playing over there.
Nathan, the young boy prodigy. So sweet spot plus rage equals that, yeah. Although rage isn't as bad as it's only like 10%, but it's still that 10% was like an extra like 4% damage to the 40% attack. So
Wait, Belmonts have rage?
all the characters have rage.
Dude, that's nuts. I didn't even know that was a thing.
The only character that has double rage is Lucario, because his aura also is separate.
That's nuts. I didn't even know that was a
Yeah,
thing.
that's why some Lucarios will just hold on to Aura Sphere when they're at high percent, and like never use it as a projectile because they just want that, rage bonus.
That's nasty.
It adds up. It adds. It adds. What is that pecan even doing?
It adds.
Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Yes. Josh, this isn't Subway.
The Oreo thing? Is that what it
You're
is?
on the side, right? Oh no, you moved to this side, Nathan. Nathan.
Nathan versus Nathan.
And then
Wait, stop recording.
Cab.
You never stopped recording.